Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video and another nail set for y'all. Santa baby pulled up and delivered these nails to me so I can deliver this tutorial and this nail review for y'all. So let's get into it. So before we get into the new set, this is the set that I got from Dollar Tree, y'all. And as you can see, these nails held up for about a week. And the most that happened was it's a little worn on the tips of the nails. And as you can see, they grew out from my cuticles. But that glue was great. I mean, these nails are still holding on. But of course, I got to get into a new set for y'all. So I just took a cuticle pusher and just slid it between my nail and the press-on nail and slid them right off. Nothing major, you know. I just wanted to pop them off real quick, and as you can see, no harm was done to my natural nails. So I grabbed my e-file and I put a sanding band on it just to get the glue, the excess glue from the top of my natural nails, and also clean up my cuticles a little bit. I put it on a very low setting. This is not on a high setting at all. I literally only turned the notch to the lowest notch. You don't want to over shave your natural nails. So in the process of me shaving the glue off, I went ahead and knocked the shine from my natural nails to prepare my nails for the set that I am about to apply. And then after I did that, this is how my nails look. And the next thing I did, I just grabbed my alcohol. It's in a spray bottle. It's just regular alcohol, and I just sprayed my nails down. And boom, we are ready to apply another set. So let's get into these nails. These nails are from Temu. Y'all know I love me some Temu, and I love their press-on nails. So when I saw this set, I was like, oh yeah, this is perfect for Christmas time. That nail says ho 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 on it, and it got some bling on it. Really cute. The nails are not very thick at all. They are on the thin side, and they don't have a lot of curve to them, but I like them. So I was just sizing my nails to make sure that they fit my natural nails from side wall to side wall, and they do. So this is the set that I put together, and it is so cute. I am loving the bandana red print. And this is the nail glue that I'm going to be using, which is also from Temu. If you know, you know. This is some good nail glue. Like, your nails will literally be on for a week or more with this glue. It does dry really quickly, so as soon as you get that glue on there and spread it all over your natural nail, get your press-on nail ready, line it up with your cuticle area, and press down and hold for 30 seconds. This glue does not play, okay? So as soon as you get that glue on your nail the way you want it, you want to have a nice bubble of glue. Get your press-on nail ready so that you can press it right on. You got to be quick, because you don't want your glue to start drying before you even get the nail where you want it. So not only do you have to press the center of your nails after you get it pressed where you want it, you also have to press down against your side walls to make sure you have full coverage over your natural nails. I know a lot of things I'll be saying in these videos are very repetitive, but I have so many new people coming to my channel. So if you are new here, this is the way that I apply my nails. And if you've been here for a while, you already know what's up. We not just pressing in the center of the nail. We got to press down on them side walls as well, so that our nails can be fully pressed all over our natural nail. That will help prevent your press-on nails from lifting from the sides. So yeah, as soon as you line it up with that cuticle, press down, hold for 30 seconds, and maybe about after 10 seconds you can start pressing against your side walls and just continue pressing for 30 seconds, and I guarantee you your nails will last long. And as y'all can see, I went ahead and applied the nails to my right hand first because I am right-handed, and if I had nails on my left hand and be trying to put them on my right hand, it's a lot harder to do. So before I put the nails on my left hand, I always get the right hand squared away first, and boom, we got our nails on. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I just grabbed a random nail file that I had from another set, and we're just going to file that little extra tip that's always on the tips of the press-on nails and just shape the tips a little bit more. I love a nice sharp crisp nail tip, not too sharp because you can kind of scratch yourself on accident and it be hurting. I've made the mistake of making my tips a little too sharp, but I just want to be nice and straight, and that's how they look after I have shaped them. And next I grabbed the silver gel nail liner from this pack of 12 that I got from Temu as well, which will also be linked in the description of this video. Y'all know I love a good line around a nail. If you've been here for a minute, y'all know I could line the heck out of some nails. But since these press-on nails in particular have that silver glitter around the cuticle area, I kind of just wanted to clean it up a little bit because I feel like the glitter that came on the nails was a little messy, I guess. And then some of the glitter on certain nails was less than the other nails, so I kind of wanted them to have an even amount of glitter. I mean, it didn't have to be perfect, but I mean, you guys can see the difference from the ones that I just put the lines on compared to the ones that I haven't done yet. The glitter is just kind of there around the cuticle, so I kind of wanted it to just pop a little bit more and be a little bit more defined and clean. So I'm just gently and carefully going around the cuticle area with this silver gel nail liner. And then once I got done lining them how I wanted them, I set my UV lamp for 60 seconds and I cured it for 60 seconds. And then I did the same exact thing to my right hand. And I wanted to show you guys how to paint with your non-dominant hand. So I am right-handed, so since I'm using my non-dominant hand to do this, as you can see, I'm rotating my right hand to kind of turn my hand in the direction that I'm trying to paint, because my left hand just ain't got the rhythm. So you have to learn how to use your dominant hand to help you out when you're painting with your non-dominant hand. Just rotate your hands or your fingers in a way that it aids you to apply the polish properly. So I'm not even actually using my left hand to paint. I'm just moving my right hand against the brush of the polish so that it goes in the direction that I'm trying to apply it. So that's a tip if you are, struggling with how to paint with your non-dominant hand. Just kind of use your right hand to help you out. So we got it done on our right hand, and I cured that for 60 seconds just like I did my left hand. And pretty much I don't have to do too much to this set. It's perfect just the way it is. Normally I would apply maybe a glossy top coat or a matte top coat since these nails are on the matte side, but I feel like this is one of those sets that you don't have to do all of that too. Like, it's good. All you have to do is apply this set. I just took it a little step further by cleaning up those silver lines that was around the cuticle area. And now I am applying my cuticle oil, because y'all know we cannot have no dry, crusty cuticles with no fresh set. And boom, the set is done. This set is so cute. I love the bling. I love the Santa Claus. I love The ho, the nails could be a little bit thicker, but for them to be on the thin side, they are definitely not bending easily, and they're pretty sturdy. The glue is great. As you can see, I'm doing the test to see if any of them are gonna pop off, and these nails ain't going nowhere no time soon. If you know, you know that glue is bomb. So check the links in the description of this video, and make sure you download the Temu app and use my discount code FAVE23582 to get an exclusive discount. And even though this video is sponsored, this is my honest review on these nails. Chalk gonna keep it 1,000 no matter what, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it. Make sure you like and drop your girl a comment under this video if you are feeling these nails. And if you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and join the Chalk Nation. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.